Good evening everyone, I am Stephanie Pilanga and tonight we will talk about how multimedia and ICT help us in the 21st century. From school to communication to future careers. Technology plays a huge role in our daily lives. So, what is multimedia and ICT? Multimedia means using a different types of content like text, images, audio, video, and animation together. ICT or Information and Communication Technology refers to the tools that we use to create, store, share, and communicate information such as computers, smartphones, and the internet. Benefits in education. First, multimedia and ICT make learning more engaging. Students can watch educational videos, join online classes, and uses interactive apps that make lessons easier to understand. Teachers can also present topics using visual and presentations, which helps students represent information better. Benefit in communication. Second, ICT improves our communication. We can instantly send messages, attend video calls, and share ideas with people anywhere in the world. This helps students collaborate on projects even if they are far away. Benefits in future career. Finally, multimedia and ICT open many career opportunities such as graphic design, video editing, programming, and digital marketing. Learning these skills prepares us for modern jobs and future innovation. To sum up, multimedia and ICT make learning more effective, making communication faster and careers more accessible. Technology is not just a tool, it is a powerful partner in shaping our future. That's all. Thank you for watching.